Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Scrubmommie is probably one of the most versatile and effective cleaning tools you can add to your arsenal, designed to tackle everything from stubborn baked-on food to everyday grime with its unique scrubbing texture and absorbent sponge. Number 5. Stardrops The Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste 500g. Introducing the Pink Stuff Cleaning Paste. This powerful multi-purpose cleaner tackles grease, grime, and tough stains with ease. From your kitchen to your bathroom, it leaves surfaces gleaming. It's perfect for tiles, glass, showers, ovens, sinks, and stainless steel. Say goodbye to stubborn messes. This versatile paste is your go-to solution for a spotless home. It effectively removes grease and grime without damaging your surfaces. Experience a new level of clean. Get the most out of your cleaning routine with this generous 500g tub. It's designed to make your life easier. Discover the secret to a sparkling home. This paste delivers exceptional results every time. What we like. This cleaner tackles grease, grime, and tough stains on a variety of surfaces. If you're looking for a single solution for multiple cleaning tasks in your kitchen and bathroom, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who want a powerful yet gentle cleaner that can handle everyday messes and tougher jobs alike. What people say. The Pink Stuff's cleaning paste boasts an incredible cleaning action that easily removes stubborn stains and grime from bathroom tiles and grouts. It is not only perfect for bathroom tiles and grouts but also works wonders on other surfaces throughout the house. I've used it on sinks, countertops, stovetops, and even outdoor furniture with equally remarkable results. Using the Pink Stuff is a breeze. I simply apply a small amount of the paste onto a damp cloth or sponge and gently scrub the tiles and grouts. The paste adheres well to the surface, ensuring maximum cleaning power. What's even more impressive is how quickly I saw results. In just a few minutes of cleaning, the difference was evident, and my bathroom looked noticeably cleaner. Number 4. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. Experience the power of intense cleaning with this tool. Its oscillating head scrubs 60 times per second, effortlessly removing grime and restoring surfaces. Tired of strenuous scrubbing? This device scrubs up to twice as fast as manual methods, saving you time and energy. Don't worry about water. Its robust water resistance ensures reliable performance in any cleaning situation, wet or dry. It's perfect for tackling tough spots around your home. From faucets and tile grout in the bathroom to kitchen appliances and countertops, it handles it all. Take the cleaning power outside. It's great for your patio grill, outdoor furniture, car details, and even your golf clubs. Maintain your footwear with ease. It polishes and deep cleans sneakers, shoes, and boots, keeping them looking like new for longer. What we like. Experience powerful oscillating scrubbing that cleans up to 2 times faster than manual methods. If you want to save time and energy on tough cleaning jobs like grout and tile, this is the tool for you. It's ideal for anyone who dislikes strenuous scrubbing or needs a little extra power for stubborn dirt. What people say. The scrubber is effective at removing tough grime without scratching surfaces. It holds its shape well and doesn't fall apart after multiple uses. The ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Number 3. Scrub Daddy Dual-Sided Sponge and Scrubber. Meet the innovative sponges designed to tackle any cleaning task. They offer a unique dual-sided approach for superior cleaning power. Experience the magic of flex texture technology. It becomes soft and pliable in warm water, yet firm and powerful in cold water. Achieve a deep clean without worrying about scratches. These sponges are tough on grime but gentle on all your surfaces. Keep your sponges fresh and hygienic. They are odor-resistant and conveniently dishwasher-safe for easy maintenance. From dishes to everyday messes, they handle it all. Their ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip for effortless cleaning. This convenient 4-count roll ensures you always have a reliable cleaning companion on hand. Upgrade your cleaning routine now. What we like. This sponge offers a unique dual-sided cleaning experience with a texture that changes with water temperature. If you appreciate versatility and want a sponge that can handle both delicate and tough scrubbing tasks, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for those who want one sponge that can adapt to different cleaning needs. What people say. The pink side stays rough but amenable, perfect for tough stains in the nooks and corners of dishes that require a hard surface but one that can mold to the shape. They've lasted me 4 to 6 months of daily dish washing. Even on the harshest of stains like tomato sauce, it cleans up very easily. It hasn't developed any odor in the month I've been using it. Number 2. Scrub Daddy Power Flour Sponge Set. Introducing the Scrub Daddy Power Flour Sponge Set. It's designed to tackle all your cleaning needs with ease. This innovative sponge features a dual-sided design. One side offers gentle scrubbing, while the other provides a more powerful clean. Worry no more about scratches. It's completely non-scratch, making it safe for all your dishes and home surfaces. Experience its unique texture-changing ability. It becomes firm in cold water and soft in warm water, adapting to your cleaning tasks. Keep your kitchen fresh. This sponge is odor-resistant, ensuring it stays clean and effective for longer periods. From delicate dishes to tough grime on various surfaces, it handles it all. Get a brilliant clean throughout your home. What we like. This dual-sided scrubber provides a non-scratch cleaning solution that is also odor-resistant. If you need a reliable sponge for dishes and general home cleaning that won't damage surfaces and stays fresh longer, consider this. It's a great choice for busy households that want effective cleaning without the worry of scratches or lingering smells. What people say. The Scrub Daddy sponge set work great with sinks, countertops, floors, cabinets and showers. They are very durable and long-lasting. Fingers go inside the eyes. Great design. They are the best sponges ever. It has a hard side and soft side depending on the water temperature, making it multifunctional. They never lose their shape or start falling apart after only a few uses like other typical sponges, which makes them durable. And with the unique shape of the Scrub Daddy sponges, they can be used to get into every crevice of all your dirty dishes. Number 1. Scrub Daddy Color Sponges, 3 count. Introducing the Scrub Daddy Color Sponges, a versatile cleaning solution for your home. This pack comes with 3 colorful sponges, ready to tackle any mess. Experience the unique flex texture foam that changes its texture based on water temperature. It becomes firm in cold water for tough scrubbing and soft in warm water for gentle cleaning. Worry less about scratches. This sponge is safe for use on over a dozen surfaces, including glass, stainless steel, and non-stick coatings. You can even use it to clean your car. Keep your kitchen fresh. When maintained properly, these sponges resist odors and stains for up to 8 weeks, ensuring a cleaner and more pleasant experience. From dishes and utensils to furniture and sneakers, this sponge is flexible enough for any task. It's your go-to tool for tackling dirt, grime, and gunk anywhere. Designed for comfort and efficiency, its ergonomic shape fits perfectly in your hand for a good grip. The unique design with eyes and a mouth allows for 360-degree reach and easy utensil cleaning. What we like. Control your scrubbing power with a unique temperature-reactive foam that's firm in cold water and soft in warm. If you're looking for a versatile, scratch-free cleaning tool that can adapt to any mess, this is it. It's ideal for anyone who wants a fun, functional, and effective sponge for dishes, cars, and more. What people say. It works great on tricky mess in half the time. I was even able to scrub down some old appliances and furniture that I was going to toss. The Scrub Daddy cleaned them so well I donated some and sold others. The durability is also incredible. Several months later they are still going strong. These Scrub Daddy color sponges work really well. They scrub tough messes without scratching, clean easily, and don't hold odors like regular sponges. The colors are fun, and they last longer than I expected. Perfect for scrubbing off stuck-on food and grease. The cute smiley face gives multiple ways to hold the sponge, and the smile itself is great for cleaning off spoons. They rinse well. It scrubs and buffs up a shine. Fits perfectly in the hand, which makes it great for scrubbing. Its unique star shapes allows it to clean crevices and areas other normal sponges and cleaning implements can't fit into. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.